Hi there. I want to introduce you to an invention that solves the universal problem of the leaking hose fitting. Everybody's had a leaking hose at some point. The old technology of the snap-in fitting has been around for 60 odd years, and it has major failure points. It won't take high water pressure, and it won't take high temperatures or extreme cold. For a plastic fitting, they simply break. For a fitting that's subject to hot conditions, the hose will invariably pull out, it softens out of the co-moulded lugs. And also all the moving parts were inside, with the spring-loaded mechanism where the tensile strength gives out, and the lugs inside, which simply expired. I've come up with an invention. Being totally frustrated with these, I thought there must be a better way of doing this. So I came up with this invention, which has absolutely no moving parts whatsoever. It simply locks by twisting it and unlocking it. As simple as that. It'll fit any garden hose fitting. You've got the standard 1/2 inch or 12mm hose, and you've got the adapter for the 18mm 3/4 inch. So whatever faucet or tap size you've got. It simply twists on. You do away with this altogether. This is a major stumbling block of the snap-in fitting, because the constant pulling on the hose wears that commodity out. With mine, there's no such movement. There's no lateral movement when it's twisted on, nor is there any vertical movement. It is rock solid. It'll stay there forever. The sets are manufactured from a glass nylon compound, which is super strength, guaranteeing longevity. You can even run it over with your car if you inadvertently leave your hose in the driveway. Also, as I said, it'll fit any standard garden hose fitting worldwide, whether it'll be a sprinkler or a wand or these sort of things. Here's one from a major manufacturer. Simply put the adapter ring over the spigot and twist on that part. Then simply join it to the hose. It's as simple as that. And you've got full swiveling moment. Likewise, if you wish to join it to another hose, there's no special connector required. All parts are common. So it doesn't matter what end of the hose you pick up, it will join to the other end, whether it be to the appliance or to the faucet or tapping it. That's how simple it is. If you want to join hoses of different sizes. Once again, there's a 10 inch, a 1/2 inch connected to a 1 inch. So it goes from 12mm through to 25mm, 1/2 inch to 1 inch. No other fitting worldwide can do that. The purpose of these larger fittings, of course, is for commercial operation, for large nurseries and that. And here's the perfect connector. They can connect to both hoses to the same size hose and wander off for great lengths, 25, 50 metres or more. No other fitting can do that. So it's unique. As you can see, it will connect from 8mm through to 1/2 inch, which is 12mm, right through to 25mm to 1 inch size hoses. So you've got every hose size, flexible hose size in the world connected. You've got it covered. There are literally millions and millions of hoses worldwide in applications with this substandard fitting on them. Why is that? Simply because there's been no substitute to now until this. And I believe this covers the entire field. A no leak application, a no leak component whatsoever. Neither end will leak. You've got the perfect fitting for all types of garden watering equipment. These have about 100% of the $6 billion a year garden appliance watering market. That's their share of the market. That's a huge portion of the market, because they're standard. Every manufacturer throughout the world manufactures these in some form. The internal's always the same. Cosmetically on the outside they might be different. but they're failing. So it's a huge market out there. Why not join me in introducing this product to the world market? Thank you.